How to create a Hotmail account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. So let's begin. First of all, you need to install Hotmail or Outlook on your device. For that, you need to open up your Google Play Store on your device. After opening up in the search bar, you have to tap in search for Hotmail and you'll be able to see Microsoft Outlook option. You have to install it on your device, and after installing, simply go for open. After opening, you'll be able to see this interface. There are two options: add account or create new account. Since we are going for creating a new account, you have to tap on create new account option. And here in the text box, you have to create your new email and go for next. After that, you have to create your strong password over here, and after that you have to go for next, and you need to mention your first and last name over here and go for next. After that, in this section you need to select your country or region and your birth date, and after that you have to go for next option. Here you need to solve that you are not a robot and the verification will be completed. And after a few seconds, a description will be available over here. You can read it if you want, and after reading you have to go for continue option. And after following this simple step, you can see account has been created. So by following this simple step, you can create a Hotmail account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.